Welcome to a new day and a brand new year. Today we're caring for little Miss Paisley. There she is. Paisley is a puppy that belongs to our friends Laurie and John. And her parents are gone away on a job. They'll be back tomorrow. But Paisley is being cared for by us. Come here, Paisley. New. The dog's next door. Paisley wants something to say to everybody out there. So Isabel, pick her up and let her talk to everybody. Now Paisley has this thing. She calls Laurie's son, and Laurie's son's name is Daryl. John and Laurie's son. And so we're gonna call Daryl. Daryl. She's distracted by the car right now. Daryl! Paisley, where's Daryl? Daryl! Daryl! He can't hear us. Paisley, look. Daryl! Daryl! Where's Daryl? Daryl? Daryl! Where is he? Daryl! Daryl! Paisley! Hey, darling! Hey, darling! Where is Daryl? Daryl! 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 Well, that is little Miss Paisley, and she is a little, I want to say a little poodle mix. She, who's that? I just love her little ears, they're so cute. And here's Saint. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Come on, Saint. There he goes. There he is. There's Saint. Come on, Saint. Here, kitty. Come on, kitty cat. Come on, kitty, 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 kitty. Come on. He's going to go see Isabel. Yeah. So, I think it's going to be a great 2009. What do you guys think? Yeah. It's going to be great. We're going to have a lot of fun. And take us out with a little bit more talking. Daryl! Did he hear us? Did he hear us? Daryl! I think she's had enough. Well, she'll say bye now. Bye.